What's yours?
Pohjoinen Hesperiankatu 3.
Modernized Hesperiankatu 3. Täällä hetkellä sportshousing at Finland. DSP, which is probably the only one that has an elevator.
Yeah.
Because ASC don't have it. For some reason. These are 3 heights, 5 floors. Very beautiful. This number is safe 292, but we need to check the year of admission later. But the building dates back to 1914.
Yeah.
It's good. We will have to check exactly, but it might be in the early 1930s.
Yeah.
The gate is very interesting.
Yeah.
I'd like to check the car button and which one the lights.
Yeah.
It's in better condition.
Yeah.
Beautiful. It's also one of the best in sports, but we need to see the year of construction or determine it through the serial number.
Yeah.
We expect it next year, 2024.
Inspirerat by Liftinstitutet, maintained by Suomen hissiurakointi.
I love the smell in here.
Same.
Nobody's coming.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love the sounds also.
Same.
The best day is actually 4 grams, so 320 grams here. Just 3 but for 4 grams. That's it, thank you very much for watching.
That's